So this is how you fill your RinseKit Pro Pack. All you have to do is open the lid, and what you'll see underneath is a fill cap. Go ahead and unscrew that cap. Grab your water source. Once your Pro Pack is filled, go ahead and grab that cap. Screw it on nice and tight. Make sure it's snug so there's no leaks. Then we're going to move to the front here. Unzip the front. What you'll find inside is your nozzle and your hose. Go ahead and turn your valve switch on. Push the power button, and you're good to go.